Today, we're going to turn simple ingredients into something irresistible. Let's go. First, cut 2 onions into thin slices. I'm already imagining the delicious aroma to come. Now heat a frying pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter and olive oil to taste. Add our reserved onions and season with black pepper and salt to taste and let them brown, stirring well to spread all the flavor. Time to bring our dish to life. Break 6 eggs into the frying pan and mix, letting the onions and eggs meet and combine. Want a special touch? Add chives to taste, which will make everything even tastier. And to top it all off, 150 g of mozzarella cheese, which will melt and envelop everything with that irresistible creaminess. Cover the pan and cook for 5 minutes. Before finishing, add a touch of oregano to give it that special aroma. Cover again and cook for another minute. And that's it. Our sensational meal is ready to be enjoyed. Did you like this recipe? Then don't forget to follow, like and comment so you don't miss out on any delicious tips like this one. Bon appetit and see you next time.